Today we learn alphabet and English number. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Green color. A. Green color. A. A for apple. A for alligator. A for ant. A for apple. Green color. A. Orange color. B. Orange color. B. B for ball. B for bat. B for butterfly. B for bus. Blue color. C. Blue color. C. C for cat. C for cow. C for cap. Light green color. Number 1. Light green color. Number 1. 1. Red color. Number 2. Red color. Number 2. Red color. Number 2. Number 2. Brown color. Brown color. Number 3. Brown color. Number 3. Number 3.